She was so blissful, she was so sweet. And then she turned into an absolute narcissistic monster.
She took these girls and she convinced them to do whatever she wanted them to do, just like a cult.
I was in a strange city, in a strange hotel, having sex with a stranger for money. How did I get here?
I remember she has like 1 million followers on her Instagram. I was like, for that time, it was incredible.
She wouldn't be able to do minimal things by herself. Like if she was going to shower, I had to be talking to her the whole time because she cannot stand to be in silence just taking a shower. Some days I was so exhausted in the middle of the day that I would tell her like, I'm gonna go work out in the gym. But I would go down to sleep in the yoga mat just so she wouldn't come after me. She was using me as a slave. She wanted to see me doing everything that she wanted, not pay me, and I see that she had satisfaction in it.
She told me about the Hollywood industry and the experiences she had in Los Angeles. She knew several models and influencers who had become prostitutes. She talked about the money she had spent on me, including tickets, accommodation, food, furniture for my room. She said if I decided to leave, all these expenses would be charged, and if I didn't pay, she would curse me. On the way to meet the client, my legs wouldn't stop shaking. When I opened the bedroom door, many questions haunted me. Could I stop whenever I wanted? If the condom broke, would I get a disease? Could he be an undercover cop and arrest me? What if he killed me?
In the name of Mother Mary and your Queen Cat Torres, the Messiah, I'm Jesus Christ, understand me? I want you to die. I hope you listen to this, you understand this? Die.
She made an Instagram post threatening me. In the post she says that she's gonna hang my skull, that I was a traitor. She called me a slave in her post. She says that she made my life hell.
When I was seeing the people testifying, they were saying so many lies that at one point I couldn't stop laughing.
How does it make you feel when you're hearing that former clients are traumatized?
I don't believe it. I have to say they are absolutely ridiculous and that they need to run back to their parents. They are saying she is a danger to society because she can change people's mind with her words. She can too.
Can you?
Can I? You tell me, can I? I hope I can.